So people, today is such a beautiful day. I'm pumped. And that is what you're going to learn today. You are pumped. So when you actually refer to someone as being pumped, that means, or even yourself as being pumped, it means you're very excited. Oh yeah, look at me. I've got YouTube. Oh, I'm very pumped to watch it today. And I have a channel. Oh, I'm very pumped about that. Gumade coins and banknotes. I'm very pumped. 3,140 subs. It's not a big channel, but I'm still pumped because I started it from nothing like everyone else. And everyone else on YouTube is pumped. Pumped to make video, pumped to educate people, pumped to interact with people. If you leave a comment down below, I will reply because it's interesting interacting with people. I like to interact with people all around the world. So when I go to work tomorrow, I'll interact with the Nepalese and say Ma Chikni, because I'm pumped. I'm pumped to work with the Nepalese. But then it comes to the Australians. I'm not really pumped to work with them. The Nepalese are just like carefree. I'm very pumped to work with them. They don't take things for granted. But so I just love working with them. So I'm pumped. I'm pumped to go to work and work with Nepalese. But I'm also pumped. Hopefully one day I won't have to go to work. I will still be doing work. Probably working on my own business. Because I'm just pumped. When you work on your own business, you just gotta do it. So, just get pumped. Do what you have to do. Don't go, oh, I don't want to do this, but I have to do it. Put it in your mind. Just get pumped about it. Pumped. I have to learn English. I'm pumped about that. Yeah, I get to learn another language. Then I can speak to people in English. Yeah, I'm learning Cantonese. I can go to Hong Kong, which I am next month, and I can speak in Cantonese. Hopefully, if I'm not too lazy. So be pumped, don't be lazy. And also, have an awesome time learning English, people. And thank you very much for watching. Hooroo.